Today I'm going to show you exactly how to remap due dates and reassign tasks in ClickUp, using the Gantt view to visually manage your project timeline. By the end of this quick tutorial, you'll know how to make your workflow much more flexible and organized, so when deadlines shift or teams change, you're in control and nothing slips through the cracks. Let's dive in. First, make sure you're in the right spot. When you're inside your ClickUp workspace, head up to Add View and select Gantt. This view gives you a powerful timeline that lays out all your tasks like a blueprint, making it super clear how everything in your project fits together. If you haven't used the Gantt view before, it's a bit like lining up dominoes. You see where each piece needs to go and how one delay can ripple out to others. Next, add some tasks on the timeline. Click into the timeline space and start dropping in your tasks for the project. You're literally mapping out what needs to get done and when, so this step is super important for planning. You might want to add milestones, deadlines, or major phases here. Think of them like waypoints for your team. Now you can connect these tasks together. In the Gantt view, ClickUp lets you draw direct dependencies. You can link tasks that rely on each other, like task B can't start until task A is finished. Just click and drag from the end of one task to the start of another to create these connections. This means when you move one, the others will shift accordingly. It's a smart way to have everything automatically update if your plans change, which, let's be honest, happens in every real-world project. Before we go any further, let's tidy up the timeline. In the settings for your Gantt view, usually found as a little gear or toolbar option, find Show Weekend and toggle it off. Most teams don't work over the weekend, so removing weekends ensures your estimates and schedules are more realistic, and don't accidentally assign someone a deadline on a Sunday. If you forget this step, you might end up pushing deadlines into non-working days, which can cause confusion later. So just a quick adjustment here, it only takes a second. Time to remap those due dates. To do this, click on the green bar at the top of your Gantt chart. This bar represents the overall time frame for your tasks, almost like a big date range banner. You can drag this bar to move your whole timeline, shifting all tasks at once if, say, your entire project is postponed a week. If you only need to shift individual tasks, just grab them directly on the timeline and drag to the new spot. It's really intuitive, almost like moving sticky notes on a board. You'll see the dates update in real time. Don't worry if you have a lot of dependencies. ClickUp will automatically update any connected tasks for you so things stay in sync. Once you've set your dates, click back over to the list view. Here, where you do your task assignments, you'll see all your tasks listed out, and right next to each, an option to assign or reassign to a team member. Maybe someone's workload has changed or a team member just got back from vacation. This is your chance to quickly delegate, keeping everything on track. You can also group tasks by due date so you see who's got what coming up and no one is overloaded. And that's it. With these steps, you can remap due dates and reassign tasks in ClickUp effortlessly, no matter how complex your project becomes. If you found this walkthrough helpful, hit that like button. And if you have any questions or want to see tutorials on other ClickUp features, just drop a comment below. I'm always happy to help. And if you want to stay up to date on the best tips for mastering your productivity tools, make sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.